Hi everyone, welcome to another episode of the prestigious Landed Home series by AAG Landed Dynamic Alliance. My name is Kevin Tan, and today I'm very excited to show you this majestic corner terrace house that everyone in the family will love it. Come, follow me. Situated at a very strategic location in Thompson Hill Estate, this 2.5-story with a full basement corner terrace is definitely the perfect home for a multi-generation family. With 10 en-suites and a fully maximized built-up space of approximate 8,800 square feet, there is definitely a favorite spot for everyone. Having a wide frontage of over 9 meters, coupled with both a pillarless cantilever car porch and an automatic bifold front gate, this allowed easy parking of 3 cars into the house. As we enter into the house, be greeted with a 4.5 meter ceiling height and a natural marble flooring that adds to the majestic, luxurious feel. The spacious hallways, which can comfortably host a huge group of visitors. The basement is definitely one of my favorite spaces. With a dual entrance, it allows a good air ventilation and light into this private entertainment area. Be it a business meeting or a casual karaoke gathering with friends, this entertainment room have never failed to impress. And imagine having your own gym room right over here. Level 2 comes with 4 en-suites, including a huge master room with your own walk-in wardrobe and a workstation just outside the room for the ease of working from home. This is one of the owner's favorite hangout area where he can relax with his favorite tea while enjoying the breeze and view over the estate. As the house sits on one of the highest points in the estate, the attic floor enjoys an unblocked view from the front and back, and also the north-south orientation allows a continuous airflow of wind into the house a whole year long. Get in touch with us now at 9326 7772 for an exclusive home tour. Once again, this is Kevin Tan from OrangeTee and Thai AAG Division. Landed Dynamic Alliance at 7772, your compass for landed properties.